Some people think you disappeared because you're weak, but they have no idea that you disappeared precisely so you wouldn't lose your mind. There are people who disappear when things get difficult, when responsibilities pile up, when problems seem to have no solution. They disappear when their minds scream, "I can't take it anymore." But if they come back when the alarm has gone off, when the problems are still there, when the responsibilities are still waiting, and the cycle continues. Gabriel was always the type of person who handled everything: work, family, friends, other people's problems. He said yes to everything, even when his mind was screaming, "I can't take it anymore." The signs were there: insomnia, loss of appetite, anxiety attacks, but he ignored them. He thought it was just a phase, until one day he had a panic attack in the middle of his work shift. That's when he understood. Either he put a stop to it or his mind would collapse. So without telling anyone, he logged out of social media, took leave from work, and went to stay at a relative's house in the countryside. Away from everything, he started walking, breathing, writing, sleeping. For the first time in years, he listened to himself. What seemed like cowardice to some was survival for him. Disappearing was the only way to not break down. After a while, after fully recovering, Gabriel returned, but he wasn't the same. He learned to say no, to ask for help, and to respect his own pace. The truth is, sometimes we have to disappear. Not because we're weak, but because the world is too loud, too demanding, too fast. There comes a point where the only way to survive is to step out of the rat race, to log out of a system that's slowly but surely destroying our minds. We need to learn that disappearing is a weakness. It is many times the bravest act of someone who needs to rebuild themselves from within. Because in the silence of absence, the mind finds peace and balance. Have you ever felt the need to disappear just to survive so that your problems wouldn't crush you? If you've been through something similar, share your experience and send this video to someone who might be on the verge of an emotional breakdown and needs help. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to receive more life lessons like this. See you next time.